Hey guys, we're here today in Seattle, Washington at the Museum of Flight on the Boeing property. Now we've been to Seattle a few times in the last few years, and from everything everyone said, this is a good museum to come to. Although they've never been themselves either, it's just all hearsay. So we're here today to find out, is this a good museum? It's not, but from everything we've read and seen, it should be really cool. There's hundreds of aircrafts on the property itself, history of Boeing flight in the Pacific Northwest, as well as a fielder area where you can go into a lot of the aircrafts themselves. So we're super pumped to go check it out. Let's go in, let's go see what the Museum of Flight has to offer. Let's go.
We are now inside the museum. It's really cool. We're in the gallery with all the different planes. It's so awesome to see all of these. So we'll show you more as we wander around. Hey guys, we are about to head into the Concorde plane that they have here.
So cool. Some pilots.
Oh wow. For the pilots.
Here's this famous screen over here.
And then all the way back here, here's the seats. Oh wow. Man, they have them really protected.
Oh, this is how to keep it pristine.
Yeah.
So cool.
Oh, Mach 2. That's neat. This is so neat.